Hey guys, Stan Dale, President of Florida SunCoast BMW Chapter. Hope you're doing good. Another nighttime video, but let me jump in it because we are busy. I'm only going to go out about a week, and we have 9 events on the schedule just over the next 8 or 9 days. So let me get these on real quick. Tonight, it's first. Let me tell you, on the 1st, we have 4 events on the 1st, starting with Sarasota Cars and Coffee at BMW of Sarasota this Saturday. And then we have the Cruise and Chow at Chokoluskee down in Naples, going down to Chokoluskee for dinner. That's on the 1st. That's Saturday. Saturday, we also have Gainesville Cars and Coffee at Tioga Town Center in Gainesville. And then the Autocross is running in Fort Myers. So we have got something for everyone on the 1st. You can come and go and do all those things. I'm going to try to get 2 events under my belt on Saturday. We'll see how that works out. And come and join us. I'm gonna start at Sarasota and then come back for lunch at Chokoluskee. So we'll see how that works out. On the 4th, we have St. Pete Clearwater dinner. That's on the 4th. On the 6th, we have Bimmers&Dinner in Panama City. On the 8th, we have 2 events: Caffeine and Gasoline in Jacksonville. On the 8th, we have the Classic Car Show at BMW Ocala. So a big weekend there. And then on the 9th, we have the Cars and Coffee in Gainesville also. So lots of things on the schedule from the 1st through the 9th. 4 big events coming up. Let me talk about those. First, we'll start with the 3 Series anniversary is taking place at Amelia Island on March the 8th. On March the 23rd is the big show in Cape Coral, the BIG, British, Italian, and German car show. On the 5th of April is the BMW Invasion. The Invasion this year is moving from Orlando to West Palm Beach, and we'll be there. We will have 6 of our FSC vehicles on the grid in West Palm Beach. We'll have another half a dozen from other chapters around the state, and then we'll have another half a dozen or so from BMW out of Greer. And then on April 24th is the MIX in Greer, South Carolina, and there's already a freight train of us going up for that one. So if you're interested in any of these things, get your name on the list. Let us know. There are some travel plans that will take place, hotel information and stuff that's going to be posted. So watch for that. A lot of things going on as we break in 2025. We had a great year, 2024. I counted up 191 events in last year, and the only reason we didn't top 200 is we had those 2 hurricane events that really disrupted a lot of events that were planned. So come on out, join us. We'll have a bunch of fun. Thanks for all the folks that came out to the annual dinner last Saturday night at Bascom's Chop House up in Umberton. We had a great time. We had an awesome time. Look at the pictures in our gallery, photo gallery. We had an awesome time Saturday afternoon. Thanks to Roday and all his group with the sim. We brought in 4 sims and we raced all afternoon. Got a lot of track time at Sebring through the simulators Saturday afternoon. And thanks to everybody that came out and enjoyed that event. So until we see you then, happy motoring, y'all. Talk to you soon. Thanks. Bye now.